Want to learn without any fuss and quickly? What is your preference in learning? Do you like to learn in long form, say 30 minutes, or in short tips, 3 minutes? Well, this is about speed tips, learning in minutes. So, what is the purpose of speed tips? It is to quickly bring up a concept. Speed tips are often supported by videos, screenshots, infographics, and slideshows. So, how does this help you? For one, it provides visual learning for you. For example, you could have a step by step learning of the hotel balance sheet. Since you are a busy individual, speed learning is providing you concepts, tips, ideas, and make your time productive. So, what are you waiting for? Watch speed tips. I will see you in the first speed tip.